Hello students, we are continuing to our video lecture series in which we started the topic digital logic families. We are in our previous video lecture we talking about the types of digital logic families and we started TTL. So here is the TTL voltage and current ratings. We know TTL is a transistor logic circuit in which transistor circuitry applies and in gate form. So it shows that how from analog signals we getting the digital output in the form of labels. So here is the voltage and current ratings which shows the labels of voltage and currents. Here is the VOH which is minimum for 2.4 and VIH is minimum for 2.0 volt and VIL maximum for 0.8 volt and VOL maximum is 0.4 volt and here 2.0 volt to 5.0 volt is look like as one input, so it is the high level for the voltage. This is the noise margin or uncertain margin which not shows it is high or low, and here is the low level. That means to say we get the output only for in high level or in low level. So this is the noise margin. The difference between high level voltage and low level voltage is shows here, and here is some noises shows which is shows by this noise margin graph. So from output, the output is getting 0.4 volt maximum, so this is maximum value for low level. So we are getting output at low level. This is shown here that the input to a standard TTL gate will accept any level between 0 to 0.8 level and it is a low level. So 0.3 is acceptable as low level output. Here is the TTL voltage current rating between input and output voltage and noise margin. So minimum is 0.2. Typical value for minimum is 0.2 and high for 3.4. So noise margin we can calculate by VOH minimum minus VIH minimum, and noise margin low we can calculate by VIL maximum minus VOL maximum. So there is the discussion point in this is that the voltage and current rating covered so far on the following typical data sheets which can be shown here. We are showing here the data sheet of 7400 gate IC series, and this series shows the here is the ordering code function table for the values of A and B inputs from which we getting the Y output, and these are the logic symbols of these gates, and this is the pin configuration, and these are the voltage ratings, maximum ratings, and these are the here is the maximum voltage rating, and these are the operating condition of this IC, and here is the DC electrical characteristics. That means for VCH we require this value, and for VL VCC minimum we require this value. So here is the AC waveform between two totem pole gate output state, and there is the 50% of delay of time between two waveforms. So here is the pulse time parameters. This one is rise time TR measured from 10% level to 90% level, and fall time measured from 90% to here from 90% to 10% level, and it also gives the value of TR and TF, which is here is the rise time and fall time. These are the propagation delay between these two waveforms, and it is determined by the transistor switching speed, that how transistor can switching from one state to another. So total power supply to the AC power supply terminal is assume 50% of duty cycle. So PDD equals to VCC multiplied by ICC. So here is an example that if we have total supply for current for a NOR IC is 14 mA and IC is 8 mA, so total power dissipation is what? It is equals to VCC multiplied by ICC average. So VCC is given here 5 volt and ICC is equals to 14 plus 8 by 2. So this is equals to 55 milliwatt. So here we can see open collector outputs. Open collector output, actually these type of stages are applied here to make it simplified. So in open collector, what they do, upper transistor is removed and it can sink current but cannot source current. So this stage is removed here. Now the open collector outputs, to get a TTL open collector output or a CMOS OD output to produce high, a push-pull transistor is required. So besides of that stage, here a push-pull stage is connected. So these are the wired output operation, like output from two or more gates tied together and wired and logic, which gives the output. So other TTL consideration are disposition of unused inputs and unused gates. So like open inputs degrade noise immunity, and NAND tied high, OR and NOR tied to ground, and unused gate force output high. Thank you.